Hey dinos, have you heard of daylight savings time? Well, daylight savings time is good for the planet. When we turn our clocks forward each spring, we move an hour of daylight towards the end of the day. In 2008, we had 4 extra weeks of daylight savings times. Scientists studied how much energy we saved. Turns out we saved 0.5% of electricity. Even though that sounds really small, it's actually 1.3 billion kilowatts an hour. That's how much electricity 100,000 houses use in a whole year. So, daylight savings time is good for the planet. Okay, dinos, ready for your worksheet? Okay, you got this. First, let's write our name. You're doing such a great job on your letters. Okay, now that we're done, let's read the directions. It says, color the shape that is similar. Let's read it one more time. Color the shape that is similar. Today's shape is the square. Remember that the square has 4 sides. Let's match. Does this one match? How about this one? And this shape? How about this one? Not yet? How about this one? No? How about this one? Yes, great job. Let's grab our crayon and color the square. Great job at recognizing the shape, dinos. Okay, let's keep going. How about this shape? And this one? Great job, dinos. Grab your color crayon and let's color in the square. You're doing such a great job. Let's keep going. This shape? How about this shape? And this shape? Nope. This one? No. This one? Nope. This circle? Nope. This one? How about this one? And the next shape? And the next? How about this one? Great job, dinos. Let's color in that square. You're doing such a great job at recognizing the shape that is similar. You should be so proud of yourselves, dinos. Okay, let's keep going. The shape? How about this one? And this one? And this one? Great job, dinos. Let's color in that next square. By the way, you're doing great at coloring inside the lines. Okay, we're almost done, dinos. How about this shape? And this shape? How about this one? And this one? How about this one? Great job. Color in that square, dinos. We're almost done. Okay, dinos, we're almost done. How about this shape? And this shape? And last but not least, nope, still not a square. Okay, it says, how many shapes did you color? Let's read it one more time. How many shapes did you color? Let's count how many shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 squares. Let's write in a 5. Great job, Dinos. I'm so proud of you. Let's not forget to color in Mrs. Square. Mrs. Square is on the right. I'm going to color it blue. Great job, Dinos. I'm so proud of you. I can't wait to see you next week for a brand new episode with Shapes of Sharky Shark. Bye, Dinos.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!